Welcome to Bosch Home Appliances. In this video, we are going to talk about the new Bosch Series 8 built-in warming drawer. Bosch versatile products help to make everyday cooking in the kitchen a breeze. Introducing the new Bosch Series 8 warming drawer. The new warming drawer allows you to preheat your cups and plates and keep your cooked dishes warm. Tired of your coffee cooling off too quickly? With the Preheat Cups function, you can preheat your cups to enjoy your warm coffee. Simply put your cup in the warming drawer, choose a temperature from a range of 40 to 60 degrees Celsius, and let it preheat your cups. Alternatively, you can also select the temperature from the Home Connect app, and now you can enjoy your coffee warmer for longer. Similar to how you preheat your cups, you can also preheat your plates with the Preheat Plates function, simply by selecting the temperature on the warming drawer or from your Home Connect app. Now, your dish will stay heated long after cooking, allowing you to enjoy your food warm. Need to keep your dishes warm while you wait for your guests to arrive? You can keep your dishes in the warming drawer, and by selecting the recommended temperature between 60 to 80 degrees Celsius. You will not have to worry about your food being cold when your guests arrive. It will also save you time from needing to warm the dishes again. The push-pull mechanism is designed to make opening and closing the drawer fuss-free. If your hands are full, you can always use your hips or elbow to engage the spring integrated in the drawer. Cleaning your warming drawer is simple with its crevice-free design. All you need is to just wipe the tempered glass hot plate, and it will be as good as new. You can save time and energy with no scrubbing of any stubborn stains. If you enjoy slow-cooked meals, the slow cooking function is perfect for you. The heat is well circulated, and with it being maintained at a low temperature, it will ensure that your meats, poultry, and vegetables are cooked to perfection. You can also control your warming drawer while you are on the go with the Home Connect app. Monitor the on or off status of the selected heating program, set a timer to switch off your drawer, and even personalize your settings. With additional heating programs available, you are able to cook your dish according to your preferences. With its fuss-free features and convenience, the warming drawer can definitely save you time and energy. Enjoy warm and comforting meals in an instant today.